10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions, Exercise 5.3, Part 3, as per 2025-2026 Census or CBC syllabus. Third main in an arithmetic progression, first one is given is a equal to 5, d equal to 3, an equal to 50, find n and sn. So given a equal to 5, d equal to 3, an equal to 50. So step 1 is find n. Formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is given, that is 50, substitute. A is 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 3, substitute d, that is 3. Now simplify. Bring this plus 5 equal to sign ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ opposite side ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ minus 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 50 minus 5 equal to 3 into n minus 1. AB equal to BA ಆ ಥರ 3 into n minus 1. So 50 minus 5 is 45. So equal to 3 into n minus 1. 45 by 3 equal to n minus 1. So 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 5 15. 3 5s are 15. That is 15. So 15 is equal to n minus 1. N equal to 15 plus 1, because minus 1 equal to sign ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ 15 plus 1, that is n equal to 16. So find n ಹೇಳಿದರೆ one step ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನು sn find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So step to find sn. Formula sn equal to n by 2 into the bracket a plus an. That is substitute a 16. Previous step ಅಲ್ಲಿ n equal to 16 ಬಂದಿದೆ. a 16 equal to 16 by 2 into the bracket a is 5, an is 50. Therefore 50 plus 5 is 55. So compute step by step. So 16 by 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. That's why it is 8. Then 5 plus 50 is 55. 55 into 8 next. 55 into 8 is, so 8 5s are 40. Then 8 5s are 40. 0 first term, add these two terms. 4 plus 0 is 4. Then again for third term. That is 440. 440. AS16 is equal to 440. Sum of all the arithmetic progression terms is 440. The final answers are n is equal to 16, sn equal to 440. Second sum, given a equal to 7, a13 is equal to 35, find d and s3. So n is also given here, n is 13 here. So given a equal to 7, a13 is equal to 35, n equal to 13 here. Step 1, find d. So formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. A13 is 35, a is 7. Then 13 minus 1 into d. 13 minus 1 is 12d. 35 equal to 7 plus 12d. So ಈ 7 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. 35 minus 7 is 35 minus 7. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. But 30 minus 7 is 23 plus 5 is 28. So 28 equal to 12d. So ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 12 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 28 divided by 12. d equal to 28 divided by 12. 12 and 28 3 table allive. 28 by 12. 3 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 28. So 7 by 3. E equal to 7 by 3. Next step 2 is find S13. Formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus a13. That is S13 is equal to 13 by 2. A is 7. A is 7 and A13 is 35 already given. So 35 plus 7. Split this 7 into 3 and 5 plus 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. 40 plus, no, it is 2 plus 5, it is 42, it is 5 plus 2, 42. That's why 42 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. That is 21. 13 into 21. 13 into 21 multiply. 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6. Add these two. That is 7. 273 is your answer. Yes, 13 is 273. Final answer is, find D, that is D equal to 7 by 3. Yes, 13 is equal to 273 is your answer. Next sum is given A 12 is equal to 37, D equal to 3. Find A and S12. So given S12 equal to 37, D equal to 3. We don't know A here. N we don't. N is equal to 12 here. So find A. Formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. A 12 is 37. A we don't know. Then n is 12 minus n is 12. 12 minus 1 into d is 3. Substitute the values. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 3. 37 is equal to a plus 11 into 3 is 33. So 33 equal to sign ikkade bandaga 37 minus 33. 30 minus 30, 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. A equal to 4. You find out the A. First step is over. Next, S12 we will have to find out. Let's find S12. Formula Sn equal to n by 2 A plus A12. That is n is 12. S12 is equal to 12 by 2. A is 4. Then plus A12 is 37. It is given. So 37 plus 4. Split that 4 into 1 plus 3 plus 37. 37 plus 3 is 40 plus 1 is 41. So 2 ones are 2 sixes are 12. That's why 6 into 41. That is 6 into 41. To multiply this, 6 into 41. Split that 40 into 40 plus 1 into 6 you do. Into only 6 it is. Not 60. Into 6. 6 fours are 24. 0 plus 6 ones are 6. Plus add this. 246 is your answer. After adding S12 is 246. Your final answer is A equal to 4, S12 is equal to 246. Given is A3 equal to 15, S10 equal to 125. Find D and A10. So can you find out common difference first? No. I have to find out A. For this, given is A equal to A3 equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125. So step 1, use A3 equal to A plus 2D, that is A plus 3 minus 1, n minus 1 into D, that is A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to A3 is given 50, that is 50. This is your first equation. Then step 2, use the sum formula. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 A plus, that is S10 is equal to 10 by 2 A plus, A is the first term. We don't know what is the first term. That's why it is A10. Like this we have to write. In shortcut they have written. You'll get confused. So A plus A10. That's why S10 equal to 10 by 2 is 5 into the bracket a plus a10 is, how will find? We have the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, and erase this n. I write, instead of n I write 10 here. So next step is S10 is equal to 5 into the bracket a plus 10 minus 1 is 9d. That is 5 into the bracket 2a. A plus a is 2a plus 9d. This step from 10 by 2, 2a plus 9d equal to 125. Because it is given, S10 is equal to 125 is given. So 5 into 2a plus 90 equal to 125. Bring this 5 on opposite side. 125 by 5 equal to 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 5 25. 5 5s are 25. That is 25. 2a plus 90 equal to 25. This is second equation. This is first equation. We have to, by elimination method, we have to find d now. Step 3, solve 1 and 2 from 1, that is a equal to 15 minus 2d. Substitute into the 2, that is substitution method because common a is not here. Substitute a equal to 15 minus 2d into the equation 2, that is 2a, that is a is 15 minus 2d plus 9d equal to 25. So 15 2s are 30, 2 2s are 4d minus 4d plus 9d equal to 25. Minus 4d plus 9 minus 4 plus 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. That is 5d. 30 plus 5d equal to 25. So bring the constant on the same side. 5d equal to 25 minus 30. Because opposite sign ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 30 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 5. 30 minus 25 is 5. Bigger one is negative sign. That's why minus 5. 5d equal to minus 5. Then d equal to minus 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. That is minus 1. D equal to minus 1. When you find out d equal to minus 1, now you can substitute that into a. A equal to, in this equation, substitute the d value in this, you get the a equal to 15 minus 2 into the bracket minus 1 because d is minus 1. Minus of minus plus 15 plus 2, that is 17. A equal to 17, d equal to minus 1. Now you can form the arithmetic progression using these two values. Step 4 is find a10 now. a10, we need to find out a10 in that first step. D equal to minus 1 is over. a10 equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 9d. That is a10 equal to a is 17. Okay, a is 17. 9 into d value is minus 1. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. Difficult ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. 10 minus 9 is 1 plus 7, that is 8. That is 8. The final answers d equal to minus 1, a10 equal to 8. So next sum. Fifth sum is given d equal to 5, s9 equal to 75. Find a and a9. So given is d equal to 5 and s9 equal to 75. Use the sum formula. So how this formula came? Sn equal to n by 2. First term a plus, we don't know what is the first term, a plus an. That is, now it is s9 equal to 9 by 2 a plus an is a plus n minus 1 into d. That is a plus a is equal to, instead of 9n minus 2, a plus a is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How this formula came. Okay, so now for n equal to 9, yes, n is 75, it is given. Substitute n by 2 is 9 by 2. 2 into a plus n minus 1 is 9 minus 1 is 8 into d is given, that is 5. So next step is 75 equal to 9 by 2 into the bracket 2a plus 8 5s are 40. So multiply both sides by 2 to avoid this fraction. To make this the whole number, multiply the whole equation, left hand side and right hand side by 2. If you multiply or divide, do anything by same number on both the sides, LHS and RHS, then it doesn't make any difference. So that's why multiply both sides by 2. Or take this 2 on opposite side. Here it is division, becomes multiplication. 75 2s are. So 75 2s are. 75 2s are. 7 2s are 14. 0 because 10th place. 5 2s are 10. 150. That's why it is 140 plus 1 plus 10 is 150. 9 into 2 went on opposite side. 9 into 2a plus 40. 9. Next step is take that 9 on opposite side. Here it is a multiplication. On that side it is 150 by 9. 3s are 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15 and 0, that is 50 by 3. That's why 50 by 3 equal to 2a plus 40. So make this 40 in the form of the fraction. So 40 is 40 into, write 40 as a fraction. It makes you to make it difficult. What you do is multiply by 3, both numerator and denominator by 3, because I want denominator 3 here. That's why ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು number na both numerator and denominator multiply by same number. 3 3 get cancel, remains 40 only. Okay, 4 3s are 12, that is 120 by 3. That's why write this 2a plus 120 by 3 equal to 50 by 3. So 2a equal to 50 by 3 minus 120 by 3. LCM is same 3. 50 minus 120. 50 minus 120. 120 is bigger number here. Subtract, signs are different. Login ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 120 minus 50. 120 minus 50. So split this into 100 plus 20 in your mind. 100 minus 50 is 50 plus 20, that is 70. Yeah, 70 by 3, that is minus, because this is bigger number, minus 70 by 3, that is 2a equal to what then? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 2a ಮಧ್ಯ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 70 by 3 divided by 2, that is divided by 2 ಇರೋದು multiplication sign ಬಂದು minus 70 by 3 into 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 1, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10. There is minus 35 by 3 is your A, first term of this arithmetic progression. Then step 2 is find A9, last term. A9 equal to A plus, your formula is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. n is 9 here. 9 minus 1 is 8, 8d. That's why a plus 8d it is. A plus 8d. So a9 equal to a value we know minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into d is 5. That's why 8 5s are 40. Now take a LCM or convert this 4. I want denominator here 3 means multiply numerator also by 3. 4 3s are 12, that is 120 by 3. So minus 35 by 3 plus 120 by 3, rearranging a plus b equal to b plus c. 120 by 3 minus 35 by 3, that is denominator is 3 common right here. Numerator 120 minus 35, how much it is? You split this into 100 plus 20. This 100 minus 30 is 70. 70 minus 5, still minus 5 is there. Minus 5 is 65. 65 plus 20 is 85. 85 by 3. Final answer is a equal to minus 35 by 3. A9 equal to 85 by 3. This is your solution. Share, subscribe, comment and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.